Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba.
Pane something chandisina kuuta for a very long time. Tichitanga kudanana.
You know what, tough man? You know what I don't get? Shetima secrets, she said.
No, I don't even know myself why I didn't tell you this. But I guess it's because patakasangana, I was actually trying to move on. The thing chakaita ndidzoke kuno kuAfrica is the reason. I didn't want to talk about it. I wanted to put it behind me. But I also have a daughter.
Oh, so that's the other story.
Yes.
Okay, I'm all ears. Tell me about this daughter you just have.
She's grown now. I was young. But in Namaiwake, we don't get along anymore.
Am I supposed to buy that? It seems you have lots of secrets I don't know of, so am I supposed to buy that?
No, I don't have lots of secrets.
You do. You do.
Okay.
You have a full-grown son.
I'm sorry.
I didn't know of. Please stop. Just stop. Just don't touch me like that. And you have a daughter again that I don't know of. You're just telling me now.
I'm sorry.
So this is the right time to tell me all this, is it?
I just thought kuti ndikangobuda clean since zvasiti zvaitika chireka ndichikuudza nezvemwana wangu ari kuEurope kuti I'm sorry that I didn't tell you. I'm really sorry.
Okay, just tell me about this other kid.
My work is she did everything to block me out of my daughter's life. Totally.
How do you mean? How did she do that?
It was difficult when I was there, you know, when I took and everything. But when I decided to come to Africa, I said, let me get to see my work. But Kwahari, it was a chance to actually do what she wanted with the kid. So what she did now is she wanted her boyfriend to adopt Mwana because she wanted papers, you know, to stay in the country. She's just someone who doesn't care about someone's feelings, you know. She didn't care about that the daughter needed her father and I needed my daughter in my life. But all she cared about was getting Danish passport. So when I have to be adopted. So she told me that if I refuse for that to happen, she will make sure that I will never see her. And she did.
Wow. Okay, this is just too much to handle. Okay. Putting all my anger aside right now. I'm angry. I cannot deny that. But putting that all aside, okay. Who does that? Munui, I don't get it. I don't get it.
Well, it happens.
Okay.
And now, my daughter is all growing up now. She's a teenager.
Oh.
And I actually missed all those years of her growing up.
I feel you. I feel you so much. You know, like I said, I cannot deny that I'm angry at you. I am. Okay, I am. But then I didn't know that you were going through so much. You were just supposed to tell me, you know, open up. That's why we're married. That's what husband and wives do, isn't it? You don't keep secrets from each other. You talk to me about what's bothering you, right?
Yes.
I just didn't know you were going through a lot like this. I'm sorry I couldn't figure it out on my own. I'm just sorry.
No, there's nothing for you to be sorry about. Everything is my fault, you know. You're such a good wife. And I was supposed to tell you everything that is happening in my life. And I didn't. Please forgive me.
No. It's okay. It's alright, so... Oh, well, I already know you see me, so... Tell me about this other child. How's she like?
Her name is Angel.
Angel.
She's smart.
Okay.
You would love her. Yeah.
Maybe she's smart. She's smart. Like you or the mother. Should I say like father like daughter or like mother like daughter now?
I think she got the best from both. Yeah.
Okay. So she's now in her teens? She's now a teenager, like you say.
Yeah, no, she's a teenager now. Almost 14.
Okay. Oh,
And
she's grown.
And I can say that 11 years of her life. I was not there. You know, the funny thing, you know what? A few years back, you know, when I went outside, I think I told you I was going outside. I had talked to my daughter.
Yeah.
And she asked me, Baba, when are you coming to see me? And I went there. I was there for 6 months, I think you remember.
Yeah, I do.
I didn't see her.
Why? What was the reason?
The mom. You know what she started saying when we went to this counseling or whatever? She started saying that Anjali actually thinks I'm a mother's friend.
What?
But 2 weeks before I actually spoke with her and she said, Dad, when are you coming to see me? I miss you. So, you know, as me being in Africa, being far away, I didn't have so much to fight for, you know. I didn't have so much proof. You know, I was expecting that it was going to be, it's not something that's understandable so much, but you understand. I love you.
Shame. It's a shame. It's a shame that I didn't know you were going through this much. I blame myself. But anyways.
No, there's nothing to blame. Why should you blame yourself? You know what I'm happy about? I'm happy that I actually took it off my chest. And that I told someone that I love.
You feel relieved?
I feel very relieved.
But there's your ex-wife. Okay. Well, she might deny you doing all that, but it's just still not Tima.
Yes.
You should always remember that. Children not Tima. Blood is thicker than water. No matter where she runs through with your child, no matter whatever, so I'm gonna try to it doesn't work on Africans anyway, so yeah. She'll still come back. I'm just not I don't know, somehow we're different from those other races, Yes. Not how we don't, so I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes, I understand.
Yes. And I don't know when or how it's going to happen, but she's going to come here. Just know that. So you don't have to worry yourself. Everything is going to be fine. Okay?
Thank you. Yeah, I hope it does. I hope the blood that runs in the veins will core.
Are you forgetting that you're Rinyati? Everything's gonna work out perfectly fine, so yeah, don't stop stressing, okay? Stop stressing.
Thank you.
Okay, so have you eaten something?
Well, at least now I can eat because I was thinking like I was I was thinking that for work.
Oh, okay.
I think Tanya is here there.
Yeah, she's somewhere outside.
Yeah, we're going to take a walk. Sweetie, need to know.
Okay.
And
okay. So could you say you were trying to find how are you going to do it?
Wait,
one other thing.
Zaende kurwa usiku.
I'm sure by now you know she's happy.
Yeah, I do.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's not like Shageti can see people, so I'm fine.
Thank you. But I just hope Kuti, this is not going to affect the relationship between you and me, right? Because it's not going to before I go.
I don't know one. Yeah, no one. What's your name, Megan? What's wrong?
Am I still young?
Yes, of course you're young. Very young.
So don't hormone to yourself.
Okay, Matanya, what's going on?
Bye.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Much love from me. And also much love for me from you. Thank you guys.